Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it's all about overwintering these beauties. They are of course chili plants, and did you know that a chili can last for years and years? They're not just a seasonal thing, but it's all about how we overwinter these. So let's go. So first things first, I keep my chili peppers dry pretty much all the time and water them every 2 or 3 days, and that's what I've done throughout the season. And when it comes to overwintering these, we don't want a very wet root ball because we'll just get root rot. So there's the first thing. And then the second thing is we need to harvest any fruit that remains. So we pick the fruit off. Now this plant is now ready to go inside, and I'll probably do 2 or 3 that will be going inside over winter. And the main takeaway from this video that you need to take is they have to be constantly over 10 degrees. If it ducks below, they will hate it, and it spells the end of your plant if it's a prolonged period. So the house is the best place. I tried peppers in the shed thinking I could fleece them up and get away with it. It didn't work last year, so this is coming home and it's going in on the kitchen windowsill with me. If you start to see leaf drop like this, and it's very common in chilies, it just means it needs a watering. So this plant's fine. The leaves are sagging a little bit, but as soon as I water it, they will pick up. The yellowing leaves, it means a lack of nutrition. So I could probably get away with repotting this one, giving it a soak, and then taking it home and putting it on the windowsill where it can happily sit all winter long. And this will probably go in my kitchen on a northwest facing window, so it won't get barbecued, it'll just get the morning sun, and that's what it likes. So that's the start. And again, if I was repotting this, I would probably pot it with some good multi-purpose compost and put some blood, fish and bone in there as well, just to give it the nutrients for the spring, for when it kicks back into life. Now you'll start to see buds form on this in March, and then May time you'll start to see side shoots coming off if you know it's been successful. If it starts dropping all its leaves, it means it's not happy. So wherever you put it, if it starts shredding or shedding those leaves, you know you put it in the wrong spot, you need to move it. They do need a good 6 to 12 hours of sunlight a day, even in winter. So keep it warm, keep it well lit, and hopefully you're going to have beautiful overwintered chilies, and they'll come on strong for the next season. Now once they are indoors, you need a humidity that's over 50%, which is very well achievable here in the UK and across many other parts of the world as well. So that's not really an issue, but take note. And once they are in their final position and getting ready for that winter spell, just give them a water every 2 or 3 weeks, just enough to make it damp, not sodden. Let it dry out and then water it again. So like I say, every 2 or 3 weeks and you are good to go. Guys, I look forward to seeing your beautiful chili harvests next year. And if this has helped you out, coming up next, I've got how I cracked the code to having the best tomatoes without gluten all through the season, and that's coming up.